Hello everybody, this is Mark from Blades and More. What's happening here is a review of a cold steel Tuff Lite triad lock knife. It's an unusual little knife in that it's kind of designed in a half circle type design. The overall length of the knife is 6 inches. The blade length is 2.5 inches. Blade thickness is 0.11. The blade material is a AUS 8A, a Aussie 8A. It's a hollow grind satin finish. This one has the serrated edge on the blade. The overall handle length is 3.5 inches. It's a polymer type handle material with nice texture. Black. The weight is 2.5 ounces. It's a right or left hand pocket clip, manual opening with a thumb hole, lock back type locking mechanism, it is the Cold Steel 20LT. This blade is made in Taiwan. Sold by many retailers. The current price is right around $30. Comes in a little under 29 type area. $29. I keep it in my collection near my Spydercos because of the design and the thumb hole type opening. I have larger hands, and this blade only fits 3 of my fingers. I can't get my pinky around it, but it's got nice jimping on the blade, texture on the lock back. Now if I put my finger up in the choil area, I can get all 4 fingers on there. This is a nice little knife. I would highly recommend it. It's a great little EDC, light to carry in your pocket. It's heavy duty. You could use it for a wide variety of functions, including camping and some heavier use. No blade play. It's a great little knife. It gets high overall ratings if you look at other reviews. So it's well received by the overall knife community. This is a great little knife. Very tough. I can see why they call it the Tuff Lite. It's light and tough, so there we go. I would highly recommend it. Okay, as always, I would appreciate it if you would sub my channel, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye now.